In this video, I will show you on how to block spam calls, private number, hidden number, or no caller ID on your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Phone Master. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down. Then go ahead and click on Privacy and Security. Go ahead and click on Block Unwanted Calls. Go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Click on Filter Rules. Then go ahead and make sure you turn on this button right here. Block unknown or hidden number. When it is enabled, call from unknown or hidden numbers will be blocked. Go ahead and hit on OK. And you are done. With that, no hidden numbers or private numbers will be able to call your line any longer. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.